slumber for a while and I will rest for eternity. The road is rough, not just rough, but very rough. I have to be tough, diligent enough. Yahweh is my Father, Jesus is my Christ, the Blessed Virgin Mary is my Mother, my Holy Trinity family that are always with me. If you sin in me, a growing tail, please cut it off. If you notice that horns is birthing on my forehead, please hammer it off, for I want to be with you for eternity. Let me always value the simplicity in life. Give me more understanding for a peaceful and fuller life. You had called me to live in chastity that prepare my soul for the coming chastisement. Thank you so much for saving my soul. I am living splendidly. I will fight a good fight to finally see the face of God Almighty. So I welcome much the second coming of Jesus Christ when the world is hesitant due to ignorance. People in the past who live in convictions to the Church of God are like that of light when interconnected create a giant flickers like a sunlight on daytime and moonlight on nighttime.